So today we will see how we can visualize density using Heatmap in Apache Superset. So first of all, let's understand what a heatmap is. When the pattern matters more to you than the exact numbers, we use heatmap. In this example that you see in your screen, there is a heatmap, and the question it answers is, on which weekday is I get most sales among different countries. Few of the quick benefits of the heat map are, here it helps us quickly recognize certain patterns. Like on a Thursday in France, your people shop quite a lot. So this helps in interactive explorations, and it scales well for time and category analysis. Further identify the outliers. So Heatmap is all in all is a really good pattern recognition chart. In order to create a heat map, you need two dimensions. In here I have day of the week in x-axis and y and country in the y-axis. And you need a numeric value which would be represented by the color intensity. Each cell is the metric value at the intersection of x and y. So now let's see how we can create a heat map in Superset. So here I am in the home page of Superset. What I'll do is I'll go and create a new chart. So here I click on chart. I'll choose my data set, and over here I have a data set named as clean sales data. I'll choose that, and from here I will choose the heat map. After that I'll just create a new chart, and if you want to create any new calculated columns, you can go ahead, click on these three dots and edit data set, and over here you can create any new calculated columns if you want to. I have already created this day of the week before. Since I'm using the Postgres, as you can see here, my database is PostgreSQL. I am using a SQL expression that conforms to PG-SQL, and I've created a day of the week calculated column using the order date. Now, once that is done, I can use it in my chart. So, important thing to know about Heatmap is it has two dimensions, x and y. So x and y are two data points across which the numeric dimension would be represented at its intersection. So let's see this. So since this is a sales data, we want to see which country has most sale on what day of the week. So over here, one of the dimension is country. So I will choose a country dimension in my, say, y axis, and the day of the week on my x-axis, because I want to see it in the number of sales at the intersection of x and y. And my metrics are the order number. So what I want to see here is this distinct order number as a matrix is what I will choose. Okay. Now once that is done, I can sort x and y. So let's say I want to sort my x, which is day of the week, by either metric ascending, descending, or by axis. So here I just want to do by axis ascending, and with y I just want to do by axis descending. So now I want to customize my chart using a color palette. So over here this is quite good, but let's see if I find something else. I want to do something low intensity to very high intensity, and this is similar to what we have currently. And in my case, I'll just use some, let me just use the blues, use show values, and if I do that, it will also give me the values of the order numbers. So how many order numbers were there on a Friday in USA? That gives me the number. This is how you can create a heat map.